So we've identified the key parts. This is the bottom part, and it's got legs, and it's got wheels. And then, Charlie, where's the top part? Is that around here? Okay, there's.
Yeah, I don't want it to mess up.
So the top part's over there, and we have lots of.
So what's the strategy? Is it you get all the little screws out and then try to find where they go?
So my strategy would be like a divide and conquer strategy. So we start with the simplest looking piece, and we assemble that, and then we look at what other pieces can attach to our first instruction.
It doesn't even have words in there.
It's more like a diagram. So on the second page, or even on this page, they just show you how it all comes together.
Oh, so they kind of leave it up to you how to decide.
Yeah.
Here's what we need: one person,
Screwdriver.
screwdriver, a wrench, and another wrench. Okay, and then here's the diagram of all the parts.
Yep. So then this is actually the first step of assembly.
Oh, they do have a recommended.
They start with like the bottom piece, and then you attach the three legs. So the three legs have one standing leg, and then two legs connected to the wheels.
Yeah.
And those two legs that connect to the wheels, they connect to this triangle piece.
Well, that's the bulk of it is down there. Huh?
Yeah, so it's three legs, and the triangle is going to give it stability.
Yeah, I'd almost start from the bottom of with the triangle, and then they have step two.
Do you have all the wrench and everything, or do you have to get that? You've got lots of things in there. So, whoa, yeah, that looks great.
Okay, we'll see you.
Okay, we'll check in later. All right.
There's a little bit of it. It's almost like this side has to come down a bit. Nice. That's more better. Or slightly better.
This is 22 inches, and it's porcelain.
Oh, wow.
So I think we're gonna. This is much bigger than the previous grill. To smoke wood. So this is actually a fairly good one.
It's like it's not seating properly. Because like, we don't have a lot of threads to screw the bolt on. I'm expecting a few more threads. I could just attach the wheel, and then that would give us a lot more freedom with the threads.
Yeah. Well, you know what I think? We could, but Charlie, don't do it, because I think we might be able to make it work.
Okay.
So let's point out some of the features. Oh, there's something here.
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what that is, but it serves maybe like a bracket for.
This is for. Yeah, so this thing has a few mysteries, where we can.
I wouldn't close it because sometimes it doesn't want to come back open.
Yeah, so we have an air vent, and look at the fine features here. So we have we put the coals on the bottom, and then the food goes on the top, brand new.
Yeah.
With the lid. And now it has.
Are we gonna give it a name like Old Smoky or something?
Yeah. All right, so let's take Sparky out to its new home. Yeah, so Sparky's going to this location. It's protected, and while everybody's here, we're going to have hot dogs.
It was a great project for you on kind of like what are we gonna do, and you put it all together. You know, you could show everybody when they get ready.
Yeah, we can all enjoy it.
Yeah, it looks great.
Oh well.
Like it'll get extensive and then come back. It'll compress
Ooh,
and
it's
extend.
warm.
Compress and contract like a heart.
What are you guys doing? Just letting it burn?
Maybe in the future you'll have to decrease your coal count.
Well, this is the first time out of the gate, and we wanted to go big.
Yeah.
Go big or go home.
Burning,
It just
and
takes
the
so long
poles
to get
are
through them
getting
because they're just so
very
long.
hot,
Yeah.
just the way you want them.
So where we need to be.
This also helps preheat that
Everything is
grill.
good.
It's where we need to be.
anyone would like to use it, they can. So if you didn't want to.
So we could put the burgers right on there, but you, if